Welcome back everyone. Let's start with the next activity question. The question is on trains. The trains question are mostly from the topic time, speed, and distance. So time, speed, and distance. So we look for the formula for time, speed, and distance. So the formula for most one you might as well know is d equal to st. So distance equal to speed into time. You can remember this formula as mnemonic for GST in India, which is goods and service tax. If you remove G, you'll get the D. So T equal to ST. Now we move on to the question. The question says two trains are running in the opposite direction. So let's hold on for here for a moment and look for relative speed thing. So relative speed is calculated by the direction. Relative speed. So if you have to calculate the relative speed of two cars going in the opposite direction, we'll say if this for a meter per second, this for b meter per second, the relative speed of these cars will be a plus b meter per second. And if these both are going in the same direction, the relative speed will be subtracted and this will result to a minus b meter per second. Next move to the question. The question says two trains running in the opposite direction cross a man standing on the platform in 27 seconds and the 17 seconds respectively. So it says there are two trains. One crosses the mainstream platform in 27 seconds and another in the 17 seconds. And then they cross each other. Remember, they are moving in the opposite direction. So they cross each other in the 23 seconds. The time here taken is 23 seconds. So the ratio of the speed is, they want to know this ratio of speed 1 to speed 2. Let's analyze the question. Just assume the speed 2. So we don't have space, so I'll go here. Assume the speed 2, x and y. For the train 1, the speed is x, and for the train 2, the speed is y. Now we move on to the finding their distance. So the length of the train will be, for the T1, it will be 27 into x. 27 is speed and this, 27 is time and the speed is x. And then for T2, it will be 17y. Because the speed of train 2 is y. We found the distance for this. Next, what we do is we use this part of the question and find the time taken by crossing each other in the relation of distance. So if you know the formula for relative speed, we got that we have to add the things for the running in opposite direction. So the formula for time taken will be speed 1 plus speed 2 equal to time taken for crossing each other. If you put the value in this formula, what we'll get is, we'll get the 27x plus 17y upon x plus y equal to 23. Sorry, I clicked this scroll accidentally. Yeah, we got the 23. which is given here or here for reference. So if you solve this equation, it will become the 27x plus 17y I firstly, okay, equal to 23x plus 23y. If you multiply this by this, you'll get this. Now subtraction part, 27x minus 23x, it will become to 4x. So it will become 4x equal to this 17y will move to there, and it will minus from 23, it will become 6y, because 23 minus 17 is 6. And if you find the ratio of x by y, which will become 6 by 4. If we look at the option, you have to solve it further. So if we cut this by 2, we will get the 3 by 2, which is the option B in our case, and this is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Look for this space for more videos. Bye bye.